All right, let's talk about how to filter a list based on another list in Excel. So here we have our original data. We just have some locations, the product, category, and sales at each of those locations. And we have locations listed 1 through 5. Now with our original data, we want to filter in this location all of the data for locations 1 and 3, or for whatever locations we're looking to filter. So basically, we just want to see all the data for locations 1 and 3, excluding the data from locations 2, 4, and 5. So you're going to need to use the filter function within Excel. So we'll type equals filter, and the array, or what we want to be displayed, is going to be starting at A2 to D2, and then if we hit Control Shift down arrow, that's going to highlight that entire range of data for us. So we're going to want to exclude our headers and just include our data because we have our headers here already. Now, comma, we want to include, what we're going to want to do is type in a different formula called isNumber. And I'll explain what this is going to do in a second here. But then for the value, we're going to want to type another function called match. And then for our lookup value, we're going to want to select starting at location 1, Control Shift down arrow, selecting all the locations in our data set. Comma, the lookup array is going to be locations 1 and 3, so we'll highlight those two. Comma, our match type is 0 for an exact match. And then we'll end parenthesis 3 times. And basically what this is going to do is Excel is going to say, hey, we're going to filter based on the data you have selected here, but we're going to filter it based on this match function. So this match function is going to one by one go through each of these cells and say, hey, do any of those match location 1 or location 3? If so, it's going to give us a number. And if it doesn't match, it won't. So then this function is going to say, hey, there's a number there that's true. And if there's not, that's false. And then Excel is going to filter all of this data based on what's true and what's false. So now that when we hit enter, we'll see that we only have locations 1 and 3 filtered out. Now if we want to go back in here and instead type location 5, that's going to automatically update for us. Or if we wanted to remove location 3, it will only leave us with location 5. But there you have it. That's kind of the basic, simplest way to filter a list based on another list in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.